Prior to exporting, business owners must understand how their products are classified under U.S. export controls regulations. Military items are controlled by the State Department under the ITAR, which is the International Traffic in Arms Regulations. And dual-use items, which are those with both a civilian and military application, fall under the Commerce Department and are governed by the EAR, or Export Administration Regulations. Companies can either self-classify or they can request an official classification from the appropriate agency. Next, ask yourself, do you need an export license? If your item is ITAR controlled, chances are high that yes, you will need a license. Whereas under the EAR, it's a bit more flexible. Whether you need a license depends on both the item's classification and the destination country. Yes, even if a license is otherwise required, exemptions do exist, but it really depends on the regulation. The ITAR has some limited exemptions. The EAR has many more. For example, exemptions for low-value shipments, encryption items, and temporary exports. But remember, even if an exemption applies, it may still impose additional record-keeping or reporting requirements. Export licensing timelines can vary, but it's really important to build in time to your project timeline and to understand the review process. For example, licenses for ITAR-controlled items are reviewed by several different offices across the State Department. Other agencies, like the Department of Defense, are often involved. And if a congressional notification is required, expect the timeline to get significantly longer. It's important to work with experienced counsel to develop a smart export licensing strategy, to understand the interagency review process and the equities of the various reviewing offices and agencies, and to address any policy concerns upfront. Doing this early on can save your company time, money, and major delays down the line. At Fluet, our attorneys have a broad range of hands-on government experience and can assist clients with navigating the interagency by leveraging first-hand knowledge of the preferred processes and key equities of relevant players, which is a big advantage to our clients.